Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is series of crazy gospel words, passing chords, and this is the episode 6. So I saw a comment from one of my brothers. He said he wanted us to do um he wanted me to do a breakdown of passing chords you can use in sweet Jesus, how wonderful you are. You are the light of the morning star. So now let's treat this on the key of F. Sweet Jesus, how wonderful you are. So where I'm going to emphasize on is sweet Jesus, you are, you are, and the morning star. So now, yeah. So now, this is what we call a flat 5-7-3 voicing, and it can also be known as a 7-3-6, but on another key. This can be a 7-3-6 on the key of C. So 7-3-6 on the key of C is what? 7-3-6. On the key of F is what? Flat 5-7-3. It can even be it can even be a 2-5 on the key of A. So it's a lot of things too. That's one sweet thing about piano, it's a lot of things to a lot of keys. Yeah, if you follow if you register for my course, yeah, I talked about how some things relate, and that's the genesis of it. So on the key of F, so sweet Jesus, Jesus. So how wonderful you are. You are now. Yes. So this is the voicing. So let me break it down. Let me break this down. On your left hand, you have B, F sharp, and A. On your right hand, you can play two things. You can either play an E major chord, or you can play this. Sometimes I prefer playing this. So you can play B flat and E, which is a tritone, or you can play A major chord. So you can see, if I'm playing a tritone, I can just want to do. You get? So, sorry. Yes, this chord. So let's do this. We are done with this, right? Next one, two tritones, E and B flats. Or you can still do like this. You can either play the tritone, or you just play E, A flat, B flat, and D. On your right hand, you have A flat and D. So now you are resolving back to your 3. You now play this, which is more like a C minor chord. C, E flat, G, and C. Here you have this E flats. E and E flats. Yeah, so you can play this. So let's take it from the beginning now. Sweet you are. Then so let's take that again. Sweet Jesus. Do you guys remember this stuff? Episode 1. So you can see that you can fuse in things I've done in different episodes on this stuff. So you can even do it. I can do. So, end of today's episode. Please make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share. If you haven't subscribed, please. So a lot of you guys are watching these videos, haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. You guys are watching Osho Free, right? And see what you think right there, bro. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel for amazing lessons like this, and keep bringing them to you every time. God bless you. Stay blessed.